Hello guys, it is currently 10:47, 46, mga ganun. In the afternoon, it is Saturday, December 21. Ilang days na lang before Christmas. I will be not. Alright, I'll get ready with me to go to gala with Carozette. So after the skincare, if let it absorb. Yeah. I'm prioritizing the brows because I will be prioritizing. Next is we're gonna be moving on to the brows. But I like to just keep it that way. Let's use the serum. Serum is the accent. Struggling. So this is the applicator. Kakaloka maging influencer ha. Hi guys, we're both wearing 2 shades of green. Before. So, we're tita outfit. Young tita.
What if pareho pala kayo nararamdaman? Ay, isa lang. Magkuhan sa ako. What if?
Hoy, nag-curl ka no.
Hmm?
Nag-curl ka no.
Yar.
Ay, nako.
Pero dinalian yung mga curls. Uy,
Mara mangyapon siya natural.
Yar.
Mga Aussie.
Magay natarong kay basa pa akong buhok ako nang gi-curl ba.
Na? Hello? My God, Julia, someone to rely on me. I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. Videohan. Hi.
Yun lang kayo.
I'm flexing the nails.
Oo. Dili mo na kamera sa pagdalito. Niliko na ka.
On the way to
Mas dahil naging siya kaya nagugan na yun. Ay, 500 Ramon.
ito ba na Miguel pa nagsugod.
Tali ang kamik.
Kasi makatog to sa sini.
400 na lang. 400 ako.
I'm excited to see Moana again.
Ay,
And she has her sister. Nakurat ra ba dyan kung nga na yung igso na siya igso. Buntis man na yung mama atong sa movie 1 no? So, grabe, it's been
Sila ka years.
oh, sige, dumat. How many years it has been? Yeah. Si Ramirez oh. Sige, siya tanaw ni Karosit. Kanina ba?
Tanaw na ko kay mo.
Palingaw.
Di mo tanaw. Pagpalingaw-lingaw na. Mush bata. Kasama.
Tama. We'll see you guys when we arrive because we're so sleepy. Char!
Side eye na po.
Side eye. Hi
Pero
guys.
kung si
It's so
Dayan,
dreamy. Dreamy like, marag, na-feel na nga dreamy ba?
Ako ni Lord yan. Wait lang.
Oh, cause window. You're by the window. I could live, I could die. Words you say, my own. Unless you mean it.
Ayun, yun. Huwag kang
Don't
taas.
tell me you're leaving. You don't believe it. So let me know the truth. I write it to you. Dive man na your story. Okay, mara to guys, update. Kuha ano nga update pero why game.
Tago mo na lang ito.
This is a good ano.
Takbo.
Sige, magtanggal. How people fall in love in mysterious ways. Part of the plan. You just keep on making the same mistakes. Grabe. Punta na sa punta na ako. Kini nga vlog ba? Ingnan ako sa antay nga teta na kumapost.
Ayaw. Sa river. Said na niya pa day. Ayaw day.
May noon kay makita. Ala, ambulance. At Agusan Char. Ano?
Ayaw, ito ka.
Ha? Ano siya seryoso hon? Picture ra. Picture ra kay i-reels gud na ni. Review.
Hashtag enjoy. Hashtag
Hashtag laag. Hashtag may second dog. Oo.
Nahoy kasama.
We have arrived at the Tuan. Kung Chara.
ano, maabot mo kung may 40 ang CNA.
Sunod si Ay na
Unya
ko.
ang SRI maabot mo
Dancer.
Unya. Putuan ka man kay ulan ka.
Ala, uy, nagamit na ako ang revive.
Ha? Noon sa ka?
Ako nagamit ang revive. Kapangit, uy.
Ang pinaupunsa.
Naku.
Kalit-kalit man pa,
Oo,
oy.
pintig ako.
O, di ba? Lamo kay ka nga random, oy. Kuan? This is ano? Rich. For a day. Let's ano?
We're not, because our money
let's
is not
speak English
not
for a day. Ay, ama siya na.
Okay. Mamunting ako. Naku yung tingo.
This is a ano? Quiet
A day in a life as a club chaser.
para na ay ipang ano guys, so that Auntie Christina will have something to post because Carset doesn't post a lot.
No. I'm a low-key person.
Low-key, but her mother is not.
Literal.
Auntie Christina is Auntie Christina is a co-influencer. Char. Char.
Cut on down.
Ay, mangita tag. Ay, mangita. Guys, that sparked an idea. Let's
You can't that. Hindi mo yan maiwas. You can't avoid.
we're here at the top floor.
Lagi.
Si Mika K.
Mika Lim.
Si Mika Ling.
Okay, mag-play na po mi sa among area.
So guys, ay kagwapa sa energy sa hangin diri ah. So,
kagwapa sa...
uy, I wanna say.
Ano na? Naman ta. Ay, on mo kita pa dito. Ay, on ko sa ora.
Ay, diha day ang CR dili man. Mama, namas ubos ang CR.
Sa 17. Ngihi sa tabi. Ay, on. Uy, power
So,
ba?
ay nga.
Nawo.
Hala, picture taon niya. Hala, naarang pa na.
Subukan mo. Power Mac. Manulad me.
Char.
I'll buy. Hello, nagunta ko namin. Putok na wo. I need some jacket. Oh, okay.
Nara cinema guys. Gonna watch Moana.
It's so cold. And I'm regretting.
But it's
I didn't
okay
bring
because
some.
we're hot. Hilong sa
Di mada. Wait, ako nang magpagka ka na. No, Jude.
So, long line guys ahead, long line ahead. If you want it sweet, then should go long. If you want it. Guys, there's so many people. In the club, we're all friends.
What? In the club, we're all family.
Time. This
Yes.
is my first time.
Okay, last time is with my fam. In the club, we're all fam.
Isend sa ako ha. Hey guys, finished watching
Done.
Moana 2. You should highly recommend it. Always on it. Hi guys, we're out of the cinema.
It was good.
It was good.
Super ganda.
Sorry for the lighting guys. The mall is so hayag. Exact guys, we'll be right back when we're eating because we will be spotting pogies.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Hi car. Okay na ka? Hi guys, update. I bought a book and I bought something for mama.
I bought myself.
And then, what happened? Wala may kwarta. Wala na nga kwarta, kami pa masaya.
Literal window shopping.